Hello everyone. Today we are learn about the how we add data using the Hive tables and fields and table types using the local storage for the local storage using the Hive database. Uh, Before I just start the coding, we open the Android Studio and simply add the some packages in our projects. We opened our terminal and add the Flutter puppet Hive underscore Hive Flutter. Here we can add three or four packages, external packages. I can tell that time when we can use why we add this packages in our project. Let's take a time for the get the packages from the server. Hive Flutter is added. We also add build runner and Hive generator, which add the build runner. Perfect, it can add. We also add a Hive generator for auto generated Hive code. So I think it's mistake in my command. I can remove and write word. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, three packages are added in the rpugspec.yml. We can show it in our file. Perfect. After that, we simply create one directory. It's called model for get and set data. We create a to do model. We create a model directory, and in this model directory, we create a to do model file, that file. Perfect. We simply write a create a class to do model, and create a two variable. It is a string title and string description, and create a to do model constructor. Yeah, perfect. Right click on to do model class name and generate a constructor for the both parameter. Yeah, perfect. In Hive tutorial, we simply add a type or Hive type or Hive fields. So we simply write Hive type. It is run with the star static 0. We in this file we create another model. So we that type is 1, and it is increased for the next model. If we define the same type, it is a confusion. I think it is not run. Similar to the type, we create a two field, and this index is 0 and 1. We cannot take same index for the multiple titles. Yeah, perfect. And here we can write a auto generated to create auto generated code. Here we can write a command part, and that this file name is to do model dot g dot dat, and run one command in terminal. So it can create our auto generated code in the for the to do model class. So we just open our terminal and the command is flutter packages pub run build runner space build. So it can generate a default code for the storage database. I can check this command in my notes. Yeah, perfect. Its command is done. It's take a time for the executing the code and create a auto-generated file in a model directory. Here we can show in terminal. The auto-generated file is created and writing the codes and generate a build script. Yeah, perfect. Our file is created. We show in the model directory tmodel c.dart. And here we can send do not modify by hand generated code. This is the adapter. So the listen adapter I remember my the Android native code. Here we can use in adapter for the list view and drop down menu. Here we can register our adapter. So simply write hive dot register adapter and write this file class name to do model adapter. It is initialization process when the app is open and the main method is called. Can initialize the adapter and we just open the box. The box name is hive. Sorry, hive not. It is to do. And for the to do model class. Yeah, perfect. Uh, in the in the home file, the floating action button click. Here we can open the dialog box. Create a dialog box. And create a dialog box function. Feature name is underscore so dialog box. It is async because it return the value in a feature. So we can simply return the show dialog box, show dialog method, and here is context and builder. In the builder, we return the alert dialog box. The title is add to do. And we create a two action button for the add and cancel. The first is add to do. And we simply in the one press click, we simply navigate a dot pop context. And we create another It is a cancel or the elevated button. Yeah, perfect. In cancel press event, we can simply write a navigator.context and we run our application. I think it's take a time for the run the application. I think that's perfectly done. Yeah, installing successfully. Here in the alert dialog, here we can write in the content property we can write a single channel slowly, and here we can add to edit text to add the title and description. So here we can like the list view, and the list view property is the children. So our two children is one is a to do title and second is a description. Here we can decoration and the input decoration. In the outline border, we simply add ink text. And we create a create a two controller. Enter a to do title, and we simply create a to edit text editing controller for the to do title and to do description. To do controller equal to text editing controller, and another is a description controller. Yeah, perfect. Here you can create another description controller and create another text field for the description. After that, we can write a code in the edit to do click event. I think we can restart the application. That is no error. So one error is showing the for the null check operator. Here we can add the data using the Todo model constructor. So we can create a final data variable. Here we can create a data variable for and add call the Todo model object constructor object. And here we can pass the todo controller dot text dot toString and the description dot text dot toString value. Perfect. Here we can write add the value call the add data or other method. So we cannot show the such any method. Here we have a data variable with so we can create a boxes file in model directory for the call the get data from the multiple box. Here we can create a class is a hive box and create a one static method is a box of to do model and create a get data method from the hive database of the uh, to do name database and create a fetch error for the hive dot get data. Sorry, hive dot box for the get data from the to do name database. Here we can write this name, write that name when we open the box in the main dot dart. Yeah, perfect. Here we can call the hive data hive boxes dot get data method. And we add the our data variable in the box using the add. Here we can show the we cannot save the data in the hive database. So we create extend the hive object in the our to do model using why we extend the to do object. When we save the data in a hive database, we have no any observable or observable class or other variable other methods. So we can simply create a extend the hive objects in our to do model, so it can automatically save the data. After that extend the hive object, we simply run the our auto generated code command for the to do model dot g dot dart. So we simply click on up arrow, so our last command, and run this command. It cannot take a long time. Just run very easily because we already create this auto generated file. After that, it can add some auto generated code in the that file, and in home dot that file we can show the data using the data dot save methods to save the data into database in this box. Its name is a to do. Then we simply clear the controller value when we add this data, and we can show the what type of data is available in data. So we simply print this data variable and run the command and open the Plotcat. The phone UI is not so, but because my local device is connected in my phone. So we can here show the instead of to do model. It means that data is showing the add into a database. In the next tutorial, we are learn show the data save the data in show the save data in our application UI. For the next video, like, share, and subscribe my channel.